Meron kayo dito.
Uy, grabe siya ng paindi.
Eh, wala akong ginastos dito. Hindi ko pinagpagutan to.
So anyway, thank you ulit for trusting. Kasi yun lang naman yung goal natin, yung tumulong sa tao.
Sa kanya, hindi sabi nila, alam kong risk yung risk. Pero lahat mabito. Lahat pangalawa ko na. Kung may
Thank you so much. Thank you po, thank you po. Me back? Bring me back. I'm happy to give me my hand. Hold it at my
all my money I have is here.
Talas. Because he wants 5 floor in the building.
Yeah, it's only two.
So I think I need to give my hand
Yes,
also.
give your hand here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay
One
po.
solo.
This is one solo. So ano to, scammer ako? Thank you so much naman. Thank you for investing. Here you go. Aywa. So this is the one. 11,340, right?
Yeah.
So that's for the multiple account. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you so much for trusting.
Yeah.
Because this is the
God
big
bless you
yeah.
and bless the new trader.
The new CEO. So let me keep this one for you. I understand. There's a purpose of your money. At least you save a money for your vacation. So, let me, because I know you want some coffee anyway?
No, it's okay.
Sure? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. Thank you so much. Thank you for trusting. Gagigs.
Can I tell you something? Like she
Give me your
looks
hand
like
na. Ito na siya. Sana all, iba ng uniform mo, hindi ka nakikita na. Ano, improvement? Ito na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 21, 22, 23, 150. So, capital and profit. Thank you, Be. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa the first investor, the first Bogart. So, yun.
Makahawak ng ganito.
O, diba? So, yun na yung sasabi ng scam. Coffee? Gusto mong coffee? Ay, may coffee ka pala. So, ano masasabi mo?
Thank you very much.
Walang scam.
Walang scam.
Kasi ang scam lang, nasa tao lang yun. Yes. Oo.
Investment.
Sure. So, i-message mo lang ako for the code.